Yo, what is up guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a review on my M4 exhaust on my 2021 MT-07. So I've owned this exhaust for, let's say, I've had it on the bike for around 1,000 miles now. I like this exhaust. The only complaint I have about it, in my personal opinion, I think this is just a little too loud. And for some that may be a good thing, but for myself, I definitely want to get a baffle for it because it is just a little too loud. This is the full M4 exhaust. I got it for, I knew they're like 700, and so I got it for 700 for the full exhaust, which honestly isn't that bad looking at the prices of other exhausts. But I'll go ahead and turn the bike on now and see, let you hear it. Alright, so like I've already said twice now, I've had this exhaust on the bike for right around 1,000 miles, and I've been pretty happy with it. Like I said, the only downside to this exhaust, for me personally, is how loud it is. So if you're looking for like the loudest exhaust you can possibly throw on your bike, I think this would be a great exhaust, because like it is insanely loud. The mic just doesn't do justice of how loud it really is. But I've been looking at getting a baffle for it, or a decibel killer, whatever you want to call it, just not the one that M4 provides, because theirs is about $40 and it takes it down, I don't know, it's 2 to 3 decibels I believe it says, or maybe 1 to 2, I'm not exactly sure, I'd have to look into it. But it doesn't make that big of a difference for how much it costs. So I've been looking at a few on eBay. They're like maybe 10 bucks, 8 bucks, and it takes it down a little bit more than that M4 one would. So I've been looking at doing that, because this exhaust, like I've said, it's insanely loud. But I've watched multiple videos on different exhausts, and not necessarily like the loudness, but the tone of them. It says like the tone all get the same around like when you're like right up there at like 6,000, 7,000. I think after 5,000 RPM they said like the tone of them, they're all basically the same. Down low though, this has like a, I don't know, I wouldn't say aggressive, but like it definitely is pretty throaty of a exhaust tone. And it sounds really good down low. But for the price of this exhaust, the full exhaust shipped to me, I think I paid about, I don't know exactly, it was around $730-ish, in that range. And I think that's a pretty good price, because I was looking at the Yoshimura R77, which I could be wrong about the price of this. I think it was closer to $900 for that one, for the full exhaust, but I could be wrong. I actually think it might be closer to 800. I'm not exactly sure, but I ended up actually going with the M4 because of videos I watched. I like the tone of it a little more like down low, because on the Yoshi down low, it didn't really sound like as throaty. So I went with the M4. And overall, I'm pretty happy with it, like I said. I'll try and turn off somewhere where I can go lower in the RPM so you can hear the different tones it has. I'll turn, let's see, right here. Go start off lower in the RPM so you can hear it, but I think this exhaust sounds really good. Alright, didn't want to go into third there. But the tone of this, let's see, I know I probably shouldn't do this, but you get it like really low. It's like actually really throaty of a sound. I enjoy that sound. It's just overall this bike's insanely loud. So I will be looking into getting a decibel killer for it. I'll probably make another video once I get that. Make another video comparing like with the decibel killer and without it. And also I might throw in on this video, I might throw in a clip of the stock exhaust if I can. I think I have a video somewhere just to compare the two. But if you're in the market for a exhaust for your MT-07 or FZ-07, depending on which year you have or where you live, I think the M4 is a great exhaust. If you're looking for something with a good tone and pretty loud, well, really loud, I personally, and maybe I've read and watched videos, a lot of other people, they end up getting a baffle for it too, just because how loud it is. But another thing that put me off on this exhaust were not just like the looks of it, like just the tip, but the full of the headers on this one. They are black. I've heard they chip or stuff like that. Mine haven't chipped. The color's holding well on them. Though I guess I really haven't had it that long. I have washed the bike with them on. I mean, I've gone through the rain, stuff like that, and the paint's holding up well. So I don't know if that was just like maybe a couple of them had an issue, but mine's doing just fine. So yeah, I think if you're in the market for an exhaust, then the M4 is a good option for you. That being said, I'm probably gonna end this video now, but I'm also gonna do, if you want a video on the ram mount, I'll probably go ahead and make a video about that now and post it on my page. If you are interested, you can go click on the channel and watch that. So yeah, if you want to see a video on the ram mount, like I was saying, just go onto my page. I should have it posted relatively around the same time this video goes up, so if you're seeing this, it should already be posted. Other than that, thanks for watching.